Hey beloved, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for the love and for the support. I really appreciate you. So today, guys, I'll be, sharing. There could be someone out there who is, deciding on starting over, um, leaving their jobs to start a business, moving from one country to the other or something, one thing. Okay, I never really asked, but nobody warned me how hard starting over would be, you know. Um, Whenever we plan to start over, we just want to wake up, and just, even if you give it time, but you have this plan in your mind, you have everything planned out, but you are not shown what lies ahead. There are so many obstacles, so many challenges ahead of you. You might have this perfect plan. What Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move from here to this, do this and that. But trust me, things don't always go the way you planned. You might have a few attacks, or it might be just God trying to redirect you and take you to the path that He wants you to take. So remember, the Bible also says that we plan, but He decides. So oftentimes we plan how we want our lives to go, but at the end of the day, He decides how things go. So I never imagined how hard, starting over will be, from leaving my job in 2024 December, to starting over in 2025, like literally everything. And with the business that I had joined at first, super challenging, the target and everything. And I don't know how many tears I've cried in that business. Like, it was so challenging, the targets that I had to meet and those kind of things. So eventually I realized that maybe this is not for me, and I had to make peace with it and just give it space, and just focus on another business. But one thing I can say is that I don't regret the decisions that I took, but I'm not gonna lie and say, hey, it's been a bed of roses, it's been green light after green light. No, one thing about business, guys, it's super challenging, and you need to love it. You need to be very patient, and you need to work hard. You need to work twice as hard. You know, when you're working for someone, you just wake up in the morning, do what you're told to do. You don't need to worry about payment. You don't need to worry about stock. You don't need to worry about anything. But when you are running your own business, you are all these things. You need to worry about all these things. If business is slow, you need to worry about staff members' salaries, stock that you need for your business, things that the business needs to function, bills, monthly bills for the business itself, not even staff salaries only. So those are one of the things that are challenging and are reality, and I can say, yeah, I wasn't, like, aware of how hard it would be, starting over. Now it's like the second year, not yet like full, but few months into the second year, it's like, wow, yeah, it's really challenging, the ups and downs, all those things. So I just wanted to share with somebody out there that if you are planning on starting over, starting something new, sorry about that, starting something new, don't expect a bed of roses. Of course, our journeys are not the same, but always have room for disappointment, and always expect something, work hard, be patient with the business, don't rush it. And if you see that a certain business is not working out for you, just make peace with it and do another research, or take a break and start another one, like that. So don't feel pressured, don't look at people who are already harvesting from their investment and compare yourself with them. Be patient with your journey, and um accept where you are. And one of the most important thing is that we don't pray, for our businesses. We just wake up, go for meetings, do this, do that, and we don't pray for this. So while as like for me personally, I used to pray before for the kind of business that I have, and pray for staff members, pray for this and that before I even started this. But now, when I eventually started, I got distracted. Sometimes I would go for meetings without praying. Sometimes I would do this and that, even though I would pray in the morning when I wake up and at night. But there's a certain level, like someone will say, business is very spiritual. You need to make sure that you pray at all times and you ask God to be with you at all times, to lead you. Whenever you go for business meetings, you need finances, you need stock, you need this. Involve the Most High God in each and every stage of your life. So, that is just what I wanted to share, guys. If you want to know more in details, kindly let me know in the comment section below. And I hope that this video was able to help someone who is planning to start over, someone who is planning to, start a new journey. And I just wanted to tell you that nobody taught me how hard it would be, but it's so worth it. For me, I don't see myself going to work for someone else, in future, because it has always been my dream, to be an entrepreneur, to have a business, and I can say it's the best decision I have ever taken. So thank you so much, beloved, for joining me today. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your loved ones who you feel like might learn from this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.